A few moments ago, I went to stay at a friend's apartment. Her apartment is small but has a very nice interior. So I think, to make room tour in her apartment. In the apartment there is a bathroom, a small balcony, bedroom, an alcove, and very tiny kitchen. Although the apartment is very small, especially in the kitchen, I am very happy to be able to spend time here because the apartment is very clean and comfortable. I hope this video can inspire those of you who also want a small apartment. I hope you also agree with me if this apartment is very nice. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share the video to your friends or family. Thank you.